What's up,
Hey
foodie
guys.
fam? We are here today at Don Chuy's Birria food truck. Today they are located in front of Cajun Madness, which is right on the corner of like Stockton and Lemon Hill. We are excited. They have really good birria here. They serve the consomme, they do burritos, quesadillas. We'll do an overview. We will see what we order, and we'll let you guys in on all the delicious, juicy goodness.
Yeah.
So we are excited. You should be too.
So this was the taco suave. It's got goat in there, goat meat, and then some special sauce. I have no idea what the sauce is, but squeeze some lime on it, so we're gonna try it. The meat's very soft, super flavorful. It's real simple. And it's got some onions in there. And the sauce has a little kick, which is a little spicy.
This is the goat queso taco. So it's crunchy shell, melted cheese, everything you love in there. Hit it with the salsa and some grilled onions. Burrito.
I'm trying to bring these in there. Yeah. I'm already trying to figure out how to even bother bringing
Really good with the avocado. Really evens it out.
Can't even believe it.
Definitely a little loving though. That's really good. Really hearty, really filling. What's up, guys? So, wrapping up Don Chuy's Birria food truck. Number one, what? I mean, they serve what you guys saw: tacos, burritos, quesadillas. Really good consomme. Goat and beef options, so whatever is your liking. I prefer the goat, just because it's a little different. A little bit of gaminess, but
not too gamey.
But not too gamey, because they balance it out with the spices.
Yeah.
So where they do change locations, so check them out on Instagram. We'll tag them in the description. They change locations between like Power Inn and then Stockton Boulevard on the weekends. So check that out. I think they're pretty reasonably priced. You guys saw the menu. I'll make it float down here at one point, but it's a pretty fair menu. And when I come out here, if it was out of my way, I mean, yeah, we chase this down, just give it a try.
Yep.
If they happen to be at either locations, it's pretty central to us, but I'd go out of my way if I was craving some tacos. The burrito this time, though, I think is a little different for me. It's really hearty. It's very, very comfort foody.
Yeah.
A lot of rice, beans, but not too much. I mean, they're fair with the meat.
Yeah.
But absolutely get the queso tacos. Don't waste time. Don't waste time getting anything else. Get that crunchy queso taco with a melty cheese, crunchy tortilla. Goat or beef, they've both been fantastic. Get yourself a bottled Coke and pour on that orange salsa and then let it go to work, man. Highly recommended. If it's for me, I still say 4.5 stars, just because it doesn't completely blow my mind, but it's pretty damn good. So I would give it 4.5. But overall, just really, really good quality birria and tacos. Great customer service. They're super friendly.
Super nice.
Yeah, and it's accessible. So I think it's a good variety for everyone looking to eat some good tacos. So I realized I just probably said everything that needs to be said, and she's just our mascot over here.
I'm just enjoying the rest of my Coke. Yeah.
So it is what it is. Don Chuy's Birria Truck. Like we said, come out here and try it. I really recommend it I would highly recommend it to friends to come and get yourself a queso taco. Last but not least, don't forget, DateAFoodie.
It'll change your life.